Alright guys, got a 2022 Mercedes, the V8. All we got done on it was we just did a muffler delete. It's got the stock converters up there and stock converter there. Comes down, it's got a valve there on the H-pipe. True dual all the way out. And we cut off the old muffler, put straight pipe in it. And we stuffed the valves away. We replugged them in, stuck them in the back, and then zip tied them away so they won't move on both sides. That way the vehicle still believes that the valves are operating, even though they are not. And then back into the built-in tips on each side. Looks like nothing was really done to it. Looks really clean now. So yeah, we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
These guys spin the dial. You want to put it in Sport Plus?
You wanna go show them? Guys in Sport Plus mode. Sound decibels. 104. 106 that time. Sounds mean. Does. Sounds mean. Appreciate you.
I like it. There's nothing else to like
That
about
sounds
that.
amazing.
Yeah, I think you just made a life with him.
Cool deal. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. The rear delete.